There's this story, right? There's a boy who's walking with his father and a donkey, right? And
Mm-hmm.
they're walking towards the market. And first, the people laugh at him because no one's riding on the donkey. So then the dad rides on the donkey. And as they go forward, people laugh at them again because they're like, oh, why is the dad going on the donkey and the son's walking? So then the dad comes off and the son goes on. And then people laugh at him again. And they're like, why is the son on the donkey? And the dad, poor dad, he has to walk. So then they both go on the donkey and then they laugh at him again. And they're like, oh my gosh, you guys are both on the donkey. You guys are so bad to the donkey. So then they're like, what do we do? And so like they end up like both picking up the donkey. And again, they laugh and they're like, hey, but the whole point is like, look, we can never please other people. If we put other people at the center of our decision making, we're never going to be able to make everyone happy. Instead, we shouldn't focus on everyone else. We should focus on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the focus, and try to prioritize his happiness.